I hope you people can see my screen. So, yeah, yes. So, okay, this is about SAP ATTP. So, let's start.
Yes, can see us.
Thank you very much. So, let's start with the overview and its purpose. Means what is meant by ATTP and why it has started, or why SAP has introduced this ATTP software. So SAP ATTP is advanced track and trace for pharmaceuticals. So this has been the specific or special tool for serialization and traceability of the pharmaceutical companies. So we know that there is lot of counterfeiting is going on in the world, particularly for the medicine world. There is a lot of counterfeiting or duplicacy of the medicines is going on. So to avoid this duplicacy or counterfeiting, uh, so SAP has introduced this SAP ATTP. So before, I think this has introduced in 2016, and before 2016, we were having SAP AII and SAP OER, but there were two softwares for this one serialization or traceability purpose. So and even they are having their own limitations. So ADP has introduced new one. So sorry, SAP has introduced this new one as a SAP ADP. So so this one is provides end-to-end visibility and traceability for pharma products from the point of right from manufacturing point of view to the consumption of the drugs or medicinal product. So if we are manufacturing at any plant, for example in India, and if you want to sell the medicinal product to the US market, so in that case, so traceability or track of that product will be right from manufacturing to goods issue, and then sending these goods to their for example, if they are having some customer or third party distributor, so it is the distributor and then distributing this product to the retailers, and from retailers to medicinal shop, and from medicines to end patients. So everything can be possible with the help of this ADDP. So assigning of serial IDs and assigning of the serial IDs, commissioning, packing, aggregating, and dispatching the materials, and reporting the data to the regulatory markets as well. These regulatory markets or compliance markets. So, this is the purpose of the SAP ATTP, why SAP has introduced this SAP ATTP tool. Then, in this one, we are having features and functionality. So, what are the functionality of this ATTP? So, we are having product serialization. For example, if we are having one product, medicinal product, so we can create serial IDs, unique serial IDs for that products, and we can create serial IDs, commission those serial IDs, do the packing and aggregation, and send that product from manufacturing site to the warehouse, and then warehouse to the distributor, and then distributor to the again retailers, and then to the medicinal shop. So product serialization is possible with the help of this ATTP. And track and trace, track means we can just like we said, we can track that product right from manufacturing unit to the patient's consumption, and we can trace that product as well. For example, if that product is got damaged or expired, so we can decommission, or we can delete that product, and that deletion or decommission can be traced, so that uh, so that the uh, so that the misuse of that product can be avoided. Then with data management. So data management, here we are having in SAP ATTP everything like master data. In master data we are having material masters or trade items, or we call it in a ATTP language GT, so global trade item number. Then we are having locations. So in locations we are having plants and storage locations. Then we are having business partners. So in SAP ATTP, we are having five kinds of business partners like okay, vendors, customers, third-party suppliers, CMOs, and CMOs means contract manufacturing organization, and MH or own organization. So every kind of master data, every kind of data we can manage with the help of this ATTP, like master data, then repository data, then reporting data. So master data, we know that okay, these are the five kinds of master data we are having. Then okay, the transactional data. So we are receiving serial IDs from packing line system to the ATTP system. We are receiving packing, commissioning, aggregation, receiving loading, picking events from EC system to ATTP system. We are receiving shipping events as well from EC system. So all this data, all this transaction data, we are receiving into the ATTP system. And then okay, this data we are reporting to the country legislation. So this country legislation reporting will be based on the rule type configuration. So those rule types we can maintain as per the country compliance. For example, for EU we are having 16 digit serial IDs. So we can maintain those 16 digit serial IDs against the EU country specific global trade item, and we need to maintain some additional attributes, that means some specifications about the product for EU relevant product, and that product reporting needs to be done before we do the reporting, actual reporting of that product to the EU country. So all these compliances, okay, we can maintain into the ATTP system. And okay, reporting and analytics, so we can report the data to the country legislations or to the customers. We can send the data to the customers or receive the data from CMOs or some suppliers or vendors as well. So integration, so okay, this ATTP system, let me show you. Yeah. So, for example, this is the ATTP system, and this system is connected with other systems as well. So, for example, this is the ERP system or ERP ECC or S4 HANA system. So, this S4 HANA system is connected with the ATTP system. So, while doing the transactions, we are going to create batches. We are going to create purchase orders, sales orders, or we are going to create some inbound deliveries or outbound deliveries, and then picking, packing. So all the events we are going to perform in ECC or S4 HANA system, and those events we can transfer from EC system to ATTP system against the batch. So first we can integrate the batch of that particular product in EC system, and then we can integrate into the ATTP system. And we are having packing line system as well. So this packing line system, what that this packing line system will do? This packing line system is will do the commissioning and aggregation of that product. So, for example, if X product, this packing line system is going to commission or they want to do the packing or integration of that X product, then this packing line system is going to request for the serial IDs into this ATTP system, and once this ATTP system will receive the request of the serial IDs from this packing line system, so this ATTP system is going to respond as per the request from this packing line system, and so that this packing line system is going to receive the serial IDs, number of serial IDs as per the request. So after that, okay, packing line system is going to commission, and they will create the batch, and as per the batch, okay, they will commission everything, commission with the serial IDs, manufacturing date, expiry date, and all the required details, and then they will send this all these aggregated data into the ATTP system from packing line system. So again, we are having okay, CMOs, contract manufacturing organizations, or third party logistics or third party legislations or wholesalers. We are having government authorities as well, L5 systems. So these systems are also will be integrated or connected with any middleware. So right now we are using SAP ICH as a middleware to integrate from country legislation system to the ATTP system, and also we are using the SAP ICH. Most of the customers are using SAP ICH as a middleware to connect from ATTP system to 3PS system or CMOs. And okay, this ERP to ATTP, we can use our internal SAP product like okay, SAP PI, like this. Again, this pipeline system also we can use the SAP PI, or we can transfer the data directly as well. So this is the integration of the SAP ATTP system with other external systems like okay, SAP ECCS for HANA or pipeline system or government legislation systems. This includes US government, Russia government, or EU hub, or FTA, China legislation sector. So this is about the integration of the ATTP system with other systems. Then compliance management is nothing but the particular country legislation requirements. For example, if we say for China, so China, the length of serial IDs will be or should be 20 digit, and each GTN, okay, or item GTN should start with 83 number, and case GT should start with 87 numbers. And also, while reporting data from ATTP system to the China system, those data should be aggregated one. Means okay, we should have uh, packing hierarchy, packing hierarchy, and we cannot report the data in a commissioning basis. Okay, means we should have uh, packages like okay, means a palette, and in the palette okay, we should have some cases, and in each case we should have items. So like this okay, uh, like this in the aggregation event okay, we should have all these packing hierarchies. So as per this compliance okay, this is just an example of compliance from China legislation. So we are having a different different compliance or different requirements from each country, like China or EU or Russia as well. Russia is having separate demand, like okay, Russia is using crypto codes along with serial IDs, and along with crypto codes, they are having crypto keys. Okay, 4-digit crypto keys and 40-digit crypto codes and 13-digit serial IDs, and they are having okay OMS system, and then they are having their Russia legislation systems. So all these compliance will be we can manage into the SAP ATTP system. So next, yeah. So transaction data. Okay, this is the integration. Like okay, as I said, okay, we are having ECC to ATP system integration. So production order, outbound delivery or inbound delivery, and batch integration we can do with the help of from ECC to ATP system. So batches, okay, and also packing line system as well. So packing with the from packing line system to the ATP system. So packing line system is going to request for the serial IDs, and against the serial IDs against the GT, global trade item number, and based on that request, based on that request, ATTP system is going to respond back to the packaging line. So after that, okay, commissioning and aggregation will happen at packing line system, and they will create a batch, and with all the aggregation, packing line system is going to send the event in a form of safe event. So in that event, we are having object as a LGT. LGT is nothing but the lot GT, means batch number in a DS1 format. Then SGTs. SGT is nothing but the serialized GT. This is the serial numbers with the GT, and then SSCC, serialized shipping code container numbers. So yeah, so this is the integration between packaging line or IC system, from EC system or packing line to the ATP system. So let me show you into the system directly. Yeah. So yes. So this is the HTTP slash cockpit transaction. We say data cockpit transaction. So this is the master transaction for this HTTP. So in this transaction we are having master data, then we are having serial number management, then we are having repository browser. So in master data, we can have business partners against the master data. So in business partners, yeah. So in business partners, we are having four kind of role types or four kind of partners. So customer, vendor, contract manufacturer, service provider, and own organization. So customer, okay. Customer vendor, we know that. Then contract manufacturer is, for example, if we want to manufacture some goods, uh, okay. For example, if some product is okay, owner of the some product is us, sorry, okay, if a business is owner of this product and if they don't have manufacturing facility, or if they want to uh, yeah, if they want to do this manufacturing from other parties, okay, to avoid okay, to minimize the expenses or for any reason, so they can, what they can do, they can get the manufacturing for this particular product from other partners. So those partners is nothing but the contract manufacturing organization. Service provider, we know that. And then we are having own organization. Own organization is nothing but the client, we can say. Okay, so for which client or for which business we are working, or for which business this system we are using. So this system, okay, this system owner is nothing but the own organization. Then we are having, okay, locations here. Yeah. So then we are having locations. So locations are nothing but our plants or storage locations we are having in EC system. So same location numbers we can integrate from SAP EC system to ATTP system. So against each location system, or against each locations, we can have GLN number, global location number. So this GLN also we can calculate or we can define based on the GLN definition. Like, okay, the GLN can be made up of three things. So first digit is, or first some digits are made up of DCP, and the next digit can be, okay, location number, location representative number, and the last digit can be check digit. So this way, okay, we can integrate locations uh, as a plant or storage location from EC system to ATTP system. Then we are having, okay, trade items. So trade items are nothing but material master data. And okay, against the material master, we are having GT against this trade items as well. So GTs can be 14 digits, and okay, this we can define these GTs as per the GS1 standards. So these GTs are made up of four things. Okay, four things. So what are those four things? Okay. So four things. So first digit of this GT is packaging level. So whether it is, okay, for example, if we are having packaging level of, if we are defining GT for unit of measure each, okay. So unit of measure each. So for unit of measure each, the first digit can be, or packaging level can be 0. We can use packaging level as 0. Or if we are using or if we are defining the GT for case level GT, then the packaging level or first digit of the GT can be 3 or 5 we can use. The next digit can be GCP, Global Company Credits. So this GCP will be provided by GS1 standards. So this GCP is unique and integral, okay, unique number to each businesses, each pharmaceutical businesses. So this GCP we can use to define GT, GLN, then SSCC numbers, and then serial IDs as well. And then next digit is, okay, our own product number. So we can use this product number. This is our own defined number. So we can use whatever we want. So we can use material numbers, digits as this product number, and the last digit will be check digit. So last digit will be check digit. So this check digit we can define based on this check digit side. Okay. So we can put here our 13 digit numbers, and based on these 13 digits, okay, we will get check digit. So for example, let us do that one, or let's try to define it. For example, let me give you a 5. So I want to define this digit. This is check digit. So I can paste their number and then calculate the digit. So 0 is the check digit. So like this, okay, we can define our check digit, and this way we can define our DT number. Okay, 14 is a DT number. So till this one, okay, any question? Jitendra Mohan.